Care to join me on the floor? We had some people over last night, and things got, well, things kind of got away from me towards the end of the night a little bit. And I am feeling a little hungover. Right now, actually, I feel like a slug drying in the sun. But tonight, I'm redeeming myself. As my good friend Jimbo Smitty kind of pointed out in the last vlog, I blue-balled everyone a little bit. I said I was going snowboarding and then forgot my GoPro. Well, now we are actually going snowboarding. And I will remember my GoPro. So I'm gonna get up off this floor in maybe 10, 20 minutes and go snowboarding. So, as I continued the wrestling match between my temporary physical impairment and mental ambition, I began to think of a lyric from one of my favorite Atmosphere songs. The sunlight hit me dead in the eye, like it's mad that I gave half the day to last night. And you know what? I think of that line every time I have a rough morning following a good night. You'd think I'd eventually learn my lesson.
No matter how I frame this picture, no matter how I change the lines, I'd rather have you right here closer. I'd rather have you in my mind. No matter how I call this progress, no matter how I change the lines, I'd rather have you right here closer. I'd rather have you in my mind. No matter how I frame this picture.
We managed to make it to the hill in time for a night ski, and with way less people on the mountain and way better conditions, I felt myself succumb to the disappearing. That point in time where any worries seem to vanish because the more your focus shifts to the present moment, the less focus you have on everything else.
All right. Ready?
Hey, look at you. You made it to the end of the video. Since you come this far, I'd really appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I had a lot of fun putting this one together, and I'm going to keep these rolling out throughout the year, so stay tuned for those. And if you do feel so inclined, the best way to support my channel is on Patreon. You'll get a shout out at the end of every video and some behind the scenes content as well. All right, well, we'll catch you in the next one, and don't forget to smile at someone tomorrow. All right, I'm packing up and I'm not forgetting this little bastard this time. Or better yet, I'll forget this little bastard. It's coming along with me. Babe, you have to let me split your poutine.
Why?
You don't love me?
Yeah, I don't know.
I always split my stuff with you. Sometimes.
My bites are teeny tiny compared to yours.
Whatever.